Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start now, open Settings or right-click the desktop to access personalization. You need to be in the background or wallpaper pane. Select Theme if available. Once there, choose Change Wallpaper or Browse to locate your image file. Make sure the file type is supported, JPG, PNG, or BMP, and that it's in a readable folder. If you're using a locked account, sign in with permissions first. This gets the process moving without unnecessary prep. Now you select how the wallpaper appears. Click Browse to pick your image or choose Slideshow for multiple files. Add a folder with images. You'll see fit options like Fill, Fit, Stretch, Tile, Center, or Span for multi-monitor setups. Choose what preserves composition. Once chosen, click Apply or Set as Wallpaper. Wait a second for the desktop to refresh. If you're changing a theme, save changes to the theme so all elements stay consistent across sessions. Finish by saving the theme or syncing settings to your account so the wallpaper persists. If the new wallpaper doesn't appear, restart the desktop process. Open Task Manager and restart Explorer, or sign out and sign back in. Make sure the image file isn't corrupted and that permissions allow read access. Try a different JPG or PNG to isolate the issue. If you still see problems, reboot the device. That clears cached display settings and usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.